So his head is, yeah, like a circle, really like circular. So we're going to start with that in the similar spot that we've been starting all of them, because he's going to have a hat. Round it out a little bit more. And I want the top of his head to be a little bit taller. So let me use my pen so you can see it better. So once we get the head, we're going to we're going to draw the two little ovals on each side for the ears. And that's like kind of in the middle almost of the head, like on the sides. And you know, like in the movie, because I was trying to like notice things, but he actually doesn't have like elf ears. And so that's why I didn't make him have elf ears. And I think that's why like he's considered like the misfit and all that, and the dentist. So let's start with the bang, because this is where, here, I'll use my pencil. So let's start more towards the right side of the top. And we're going to just curve down and above the ear, use the ear kind of like above like that as a guide. And then we're going to use the top of where we created, right? But curve it up. And then down. And then curve it out. I'm just going to round it out a little bit just to create our cute little bang. The opening that I have on this side, I'm just going to connect a line curving for some hair. There's like another hairline. Like I said, honestly, I should have did that in pencil, because now when I paint it, I'm going to see this, so I'm going to have to paint it pretty thick. So, but that's okay. I'm just the teacher, and you guys are going to have something much more fabulous than me. Okay, so then now what we're going to do is use this gap as an area to fill part of the hat. So you don't want it to go towards the top of the curve. You want it to hit right below, so the brim, and then it's going to connect on the other side back down to the ear. His hat's not very tall. Let me see. Okay, let's put it. And I use a kind of more of a rounded shape at the top as opposed to like a really definite point. Now what we want to do is create the eyeballs. So use the bang as a reference. So his eyes are going to be bigger as well, like oval. So the first eye, you're going to have a gap. Do an oval, and then like another oval like next to it, leaving a little space. And then you want his eyeballs to be pointing up. So you'll be doing the half circle up at the upper right corner. So his eyes will be pointing more upwards. And then give him a little eyebrow over that right eye, just kind of, again, like a little crescent moon. And then his nose is just like a tiny circle, and his mouth is an oval. So he doesn't have a chin, and that's okay. Ideally, I should have pulled this out down a little bit more, but again, when you do in pen, that's kind of what you get. Now what we're going to do is do the body. We're going to start with the coat, and again, use the eyes as a reference when creating the width of the coat. So it's going to be kind of on the outer edges of the eyes to determine the width. And then we're going to pull it down kind of like in a triangular shape. And instead of going straight across, this time we're going to curve it up and connect it. So he has a little gap in his coat. So try to hit the middle as much as possible. Connect them. And you know how we did Santa's belt? We did like the square, and then a square in the middle. And then connect it on either side for the belt. And I like his little collar. It's just these kind of half circles again, two of them kind of going in like that. using the middle as kind of the point between the two of them, the middle of the body. So his little arms, like the sleeves are like bells, kind of like Santa's body, but a little bit more kind of flown out to the side. So, or just think of them as triangles a little bit. So kind of curve the line out, like curve it as opposed to going straight down. And then just use the body as the point where it's going to connect to, and create little circles for hands. And then use, so you want to leave like a little bit of gap in the middle here, but then we're going to create the little legs like Santa's, but a little skinnier. And so curving the bottom for the feet like that. And then adding the line at the bottom for the little shoes.